Hello, beautiful people. Do you desire to grow long, healthy, and beautiful natural hair just like mine? Well, you are in the right place. Here we keep it simple, real, and effective. If you are ready for thicker strands, faster growth, and a crown that shines with confidence, sit back, relax, and let's grow this beautiful hair together. Today I'm sharing 5 things you should do every wash day for your hair growth. Wash day is one of the most important opportunities to either support your hair growth or accidentally slow it down. Most people treat wash days like a quick cure, but the truth is, wash day is your foundation. Everything you do on this single day determines how well your hair retains moisture, how strong your strands remain, whether your scalp can support growth, how much breakage you prevent, and how long you keep your length. And so, below are the 5 essentials that you can practice during your wash days. Let's go. The first one is scalp pre-treatment. Before shampoo touches your hair, you should always prepare your scalp and strands. A pre-poo is more than optional. It protects your hair from moisture loss and friction. What is pre-pooing? Is a moisturizing treatment applied to the hair before shampooing to protect it from moisture loss and damage. By applying oils or conditioners beforehand, you create a protective layer so that the shampoo strips the pre-poo treatment instead of the hair's natural oils. So that is what we call pre-pooing. So you either use the moisturizing treatment, conditioners, or your oils, but you warm the oil. The reason why pre-pooing boosts hair growth: it reduces breakage during washing, it adds slip and softness preventing knots, it protects from shampoo stripping, strengthens hair cuticles and reduces shedding. A protected strand breaks less, which means better length retention, and therefore key for growth. Best pre-poo ingredients that you can use: coconut oil, penetrates hair shafts. You can use aloe vera gel, hydrates and soothes scalp. Fenugreek gel adds slip and strengthens your hair. Olive oil lubricates and softens your hair. Amla or inner infused oil, they nourish the roots. And also you can use other ingredients of your choice. How to use: apply your chosen oil, that is warm oil or treatment, on your dry hair. Focus on detangling gently with your fingers. Leave the treatment or the oil for like 30-45 minutes before shampooing. Then now shampoo, and this step alone can drastically reduce breakage on your wash day. The second one is clean your scalp properly. Healthy hair starts with a clean, balanced scalp. A dirty scalp equals to clogged follicles and so slow growth. But many people make the mistake of shampooing incorrectly. So, what proper shampooing does: proper shampooing unclogs hair follicles, removes buildup, sweat and excess oils, allows nutrients to reach the roots, strengthens the scalp. Okay, how to clean your scalp correctly: use the palms of your fingers, not the nails. Part hair in sections for easier access. And if you are on your protective styles like on twists or braids, you are good to go. Use a sulfate-free shampoo to avoid dryness if necessary, and if you have one, then rinse with warm, not hot water, but warm water. Okay. Optional but powerful: use a scalp massager if you have one, for like 1 to 2 minutes as you shampoo your scalp. This increases blood flow, which supports growth. Another tip is double cleanse. First, wash to remove the dirt, then second, wash to clean the scalp more deeply. The third one is deep condition every wash day. Deep conditioning is one of the strongest growth supporting practices. Moisture plus strength is equals to long hair. Why deep conditioning is crucial? It restores moisture lost during shampoo, repairs weak or damaged strands, improves elasticity, soothes cuticles, making hair manageable, encourages length retention. Moisture deep conditioners, you can use aloe vera, the ones that contains ingredients like aloe vera, honey, glycerin, things like that. And then if you have to use the protein deep conditioners, look for ingredients like rice protein, wheat protein, sleek amino acids, things like that. So use moisture. Moisture is very important for your hair. Never forget that moisture is important for your hair. So for best results, after you are done deep conditioning, after you are done applying the deep conditioning, apply some heat, either using a steamer, a heat cup, or your hair dryer. It opens the cuticles and allows the conditioner to penetrate more deeply. The fourth one is seal in moisture correctly after rinsing. Most people wash their hair correctly, yes, but lose moisture within hours because they don't seal it properly. Why sealing matters for growth? Hair breaks when it's dry. Dry hair is equals to weak hair. Weak hair equals to constant breakage. Sealing keeps hair moisturized for longer, which supports length retention. 3 ways to seal in your moisture. The first method is the LCO method, the leave-in cream and the oil, perfect for dry, thick and for C hair. Method 2 is LOC method, the liquid, the leave-in, that is the liquid, the oil and then the cream. It's great for high porosity hair. Method number 3 is oil rinse. Use a lightweight oil after conditioner for shine and softness. Best natural oils for sealing can be olive oil, castor oil, almond oil, grapeseed oil, and shea oil and other oils. We have other lighter oils that you can use. Remember, consistency is key. Moisturized hair equals to breakage free hair equals to really growth retention. Then the fifth one is protect your hair before ending your wash day. The final step is often ignored, but it is one of the most important step. Once your hair is clean and moisturized, you must protect it. So, how to end your wash day the right way? Put your hair in a stretched style, that is either braids, twists, things like that. Avoid heavy manipulation. Keep ends tucked away. Use satin or sleek to protect your hair. Avoid tight hairstyles immediately after wash day. Why these steps boost growth is they prevent tangles, reduce breakage, decreases friction, helps retain moisture longer, protects ends, which are the oddest part of the hair. Therefore, remember, if you want real hair growth, not just length today and breakage tomorrow, then your wash day routine matters more than anything else.